stop. If you're thinking about buying Healthify AI, there's something you need to know first. Because this AI app claims it can build a fully automated health website, send thousands of free clicks daily, and potentially generate passive income, all in under 60 seconds. Sounds insane, right? And before you spend even $1 on this, watch this review till the end because this might either be the easiest online business tool of 2026. Or just another overhyped AI promise? Let's find out. Also, if you decide to grab Healthify AI today using my link below, you'll get exclusive surprise bonuses worth over $5,000 absolutely free. So don't buy without checking those out first. What is Healthify AI? Healthify AI is an AI-powered app that creates ready-to-profit health websites in just a few clicks. You don't need coding skills, hosting, domains design experience, or even content writing skills. The AI does everything for you. It builds health blogs, BMI trackers, calorie calculators, mental health tools, personalized health dashboards, workout plans, AI health coaching, and according to the creators, the goal is to help users tap into the massive multi-trillion-dollar health industry. Benefits: why people are interested. The health niche is huge. People search health-related topics every single day. And Healthify AI tries to solve one major problem: building profitable websites without technical headaches. Some standout benefits are DIY health website creation, AI-generated content, free traffic features, fully automated setup, mobile-friendly, one-time price instead of monthly fees, and beginner-friendly system. And honestly, for people who want a fast shortcut into affiliate marketing or blogging, I can definitely see the appeal. Inside the platform, you're getting AI website deployer, AI traffic generator, AI automation tools, custom branding features, mobile edition access, training videos, and world-class support. Plus some interesting health features like AI symptom checker, mental health support chatbot, personalized diet and workout planning, sleep tracker, mood journal, and AI-generated health stories. So this is more than just a simple website builder. It's trying to become an all-in-one AI health platform. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review real. Pros: beginner-friendly, fast setup, no monthly payments during launch, health niche has huge potential, includes automation tools, and good for affiliate marketers and bloggers. Cons: income claims may be exaggerated, results depend on effort and traffic strategy, AI-generated sites still need optimization and competitive niche. So don't expect this to magically print money overnight, it's still a tool. But if used correctly, it could definitely save a lot of time. Results: what to expect. You can potentially build health niche websites quickly, collect leads, promote affiliate offers, generate content faster, and get traffic from SEO and social media. But remember, success depends on consistency, marketing, and how you actually use the platform. If you're expecting instant riches without doing anything, this probably isn't for you. Now let's talk about the bonuses because these are actually good. Bonus 1: AI 24/7 Sales Closer. Value: $297, an AI sales assistant that talks to your visitors automatically and helps convert them into buyers. Bonus 2: AI Shoppable Video Engine. Value: $249, turn videos into clickable commission machines with built-in buy buttons. Bonus 3: AI Health Content Writer. Value: $297, generate unlimited health articles, blogs, captions, and website content instantly. Bonus 4: AI Viral Shorts Machine. Value: $297, create viral short-form videos for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts without editing skills. Total bonus value: over $1,000, yours free today. So, is Healthify AI worth it? If you're a beginner looking for a shortcut into the health niche, or you want an AI-powered done-for-you website system, then this might actually be worth testing. So if you want to check out Healthify AI for yourself, grab it using the link in the description below to secure all the bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.